Hello everyone. My name is 32002 and today I'm going to show you how to animate any car with 4 wheels in Blender in less than 5 minutes. This will be based on a new method. First, you need to get the Blender-VRS add-on. I will put the link in the description. This add-on will simulate and animate all the complicated parts of the animation. All that you will do is the curve, the car, and the floor that the car will drive on. Moreover, you can still get the free version of this add-on also from the link in the description. Now, the first step is to enable the add-on. To do that, go to Edit, Preferences, Install, choose the zip file, enable it, and save. Next, delete everything and create a plane. Go to Edit Mode, scale it up by 100, and subdivide it by 10. Next, turn on proportional editing and choose random. Next, select any vertex and move the wheel slider down to give the surface some variation in height. Now go to Object Mode, Ctrl+2 to give it a subdivision surface, shade it as smooth, and apply the subdivision modifier. Now, add a curve so that the car will drive along. Make it interesting with sharp turns and wide turns. And don't forget to turn off proportional editing. After you finish your curve, give it a shrink wrap modifier to stick it to the surface. Select the plane, and use Tangent Normal Project. Now before you do anything, go to the VRS add-on tab, choose the car path, and the plane. Now you will have to enter these two values. To do that, you have to bring a car. I will use one of the 3 cars included in the add-on since they are available to you as well. Select the car you want, click Shift and right bracket to select the objects parented to the car, in other words, the wheels and brakes. Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+V to paste it into your scene. Go into wireframe mode to see the car, and move it along the y-axis by -3 to center it. Remember, the car rear wheels should be at the center of the scene. And the car should face the positive x-axis. Now, select all the car parts by Shift bracket and move the car to a new collection for better organization. Next, let's find out the 2 values required by the add-on. First, wheelbase is the distance between the front and rear tires, 2.9 in this case. Second, track width is the distance between right and left tires, 1.4 in this case. Enter the values, enable the collection that includes the curve and surface, and click Apply. Next, click Create Reader Rig to make the base rig. You will notice the rig not following the curve. To fix that, select the curve and click Tab twice. Now click Animate Curve Driver, and this is where the magic begins. It will mathematically calculate the speed required by the driver for each segment in your curve. The longer the curve, the longer the animation, therefore, you might get an animation longer than the frame range. To fix that, increase the frame end, in my case, to 650. Now, let's animate the suspension. You can choose the presets from softest to stiffest. I will choose normal since this car is a sedan. Click Animate Suspension. The time it will take to simulate depends on the frame range. Now, since our rig is created and animated, all that we need to do is to bind the car to the rig. To do that, go to the Binding tab and select your car base, tires, and brakes. Make sure that the objects selected are correct, enable the collection that includes the rig, and click Bind. Click Apply Rotation. And voila! We are done. Thanks for watching. Consider a like if that video helped. You can also get this file for free from the link in the description. Cheers.